Hey guys, it's Mickey from It's a Southern Life. Tonight I just wanted to come on real quick, just give you just a short little update video of what's been going on. I'm really sorry I haven't been posting. I've just been working a lot of hours in it's Mardi Gras season, so I've been real busy, and a lot of y'all, if you watch my videos, you know I'm in a Mardi Gras association. So I've been traveling back and forth to Alabama a lot, and I am completely obsessed with this. Let me see if y'all are obsessed with this too. The Great British Baking Show. I'm completely obsessed with this. I usually don't get obsessed about shows like that, but yeah, I'm obsessed with it. And I think it only has 4 seasons so far, and right now I'm on the last season, so I'm pretty upset about that. But no, y'all, I'm so sorry. I've been so busy with work. I know that y'all, you hear that a lot, but this is the busiest time for my job, so I don't really have a lot of time to do videos or even edit them or anything like that. I'm also trying to get my house ready to be put on sale. Yay, yeah, I'm trying to sell my house. I love my house, but I am trying to sell it, so I've just been trying to do like one room at a time. I was actually thinking of maybe doing like a video series of how to get your house ready to sell or put on the market. I don't know. That's actually gonna be really hard to do, but I think I'm gonna do it. So if you do want to see something like that, just leave me a comment and I will make it happen. I'm going to do a video this weekend and I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna try really hard. But y'all, you could also check my Instagram. It's a Southern Life. I do post on that a little bit, actually a lot bit more than I do on this on YouTube. So just check over, or not check over, but just go check out my Instagram and befriend me. We can be Instagram friends, just like YouTube friends. But y'all, thank y'all so much. Some of y'all, actually a lot of y'all have commented on where I am and I'm okay, and that's really sweet, and the community is just really nice, and I'm just really happy to have that type of friendships here on YouTube. But yes, everything is fine and I'm still here. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it for tonight. Just wanted this to be really short, but I will see y'all in the next videos. Bye.